Hello, and welcome to our exciting lesson on soap making. In this course, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of the soap making process, equipping you with the skills to create your own high-quality bar soap. We will begin by exploring essential safety precautions to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. You will learn about the key ingredients required, their functions, and how to properly measure and mix them. We will guide you through each step of the soap making process, from preparation to molding, and even discuss how to incorporate unique fragrances and colors to personalize your creations. By the end of this course, you will be well prepared to craft beautiful, custom soaps that can be used personally or gifted to others. Thank you for joining us, and let's embark on this rewarding journey into the art of soap making together.